All right, the criminal justice process. How does it work? You or someone you love got arrested and you want to know what's going to happen. How long is it going to take? What are the steps? What do I do when? What are my rights? I'm going to get into it very simply, like for a beginner. I'm going to break it down to help you. If you have any questions, our phone number is on the screen. You can call me. I will help you, okay? So, the triggering event, that's the arrest. What happens? Law enforcement, a police officer, observes what he believes to be a crime. He observes what he thinks is a crime. That's the police officer's probable cause to arrest you. A simple example is a traffic stop. You're speeding, the police pull you over, they approach the car, they ask for your credentials, and they smell marijuana emanating out of the vehicle. That little bit of evidence is enough probable cause to arrest you. The charges could be drug possession, paraphernalia possession, drug distribution. The police don't know yet. See, they haven't done their investigation. They just have a little bit of evidence, a little bit of information, which is the probable cause standard to effectuate an arrest. Another example. The police receive a anonymous 911 call that they hear. The person who calls 911 hears a lot of noise from the neighboring apartment. Okay, police show up, knock on the door, you open, they see your wife standing in the living room, crying, holding her head. They think there's an act of domestic violence. They believe maybe you, as the boyfriend or husband, slapped her. That little bit of evidence is all they need to arrest you and charge you with simple assault. So what happens? You get handcuffed, you get put in the patrol car, you get taken to the police station. At the police station, you are fingerprinted, your picture is taken. You know it's a mugshot, right? We've heard that before. And if the charges involve some type of sex crime, the police may also take a DNA swab. Now, there's some very important rights you need to be aware of. You have a right to an attorney, and you also have a right to remain silent. The right to remain silent is the really important one I want you to remember. As soon as those handcuffs go on, whether it's on the sidewalk, in your house, in the car, lawyer up. Tell the police, I want a lawyer. I don't understand what's happening. I know I have a right to a lawyer. Do not explain your side of the story. It never helps. People mistakenly believe that they can talk their way out of it. That doesn't help. It never works. If anything, you're giving law enforcement more ammunition to use against you. That's why we see in movies and TV shows, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you. I can't tell you how many clients tried to talk their way out of it, and everything they told the police on the spot gets written into the police report. So those are admissions. So it's very important in this initial stage of the arrest not to talk. Get your phone, call your family, call somebody you know. If you know a lawyer, call your lawyer, but emphasize, I want a lawyer, okay? So that's the very first part, is the arrest, probable cause, processing, and the right to remain silent. The next part, we're going to talk about bail. What happens after the arrest and the processing? Do you just go home? Well, that all depends. So stick around. Episode 2, I'm going to explain what bail is.